Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can connect Google AI Studio to Supabase. Let's begin. First, open Chrome, go to Google AI Studio. On the left panel, click over here, Get API Key. Then select any API key you have, and you should have this on your screen. So API key is the very first option. Click on this button to copy this, all right? Or you could just leave this be because you will be needing this later on. Now go to Supabase, all right? Make sure you have already logged into your account. So mine, this is the home page. You can click over here, project settings. Then click on API keys. And from here, under publishable key, you should have your application link over here. Now I have one over here that is still not complete, but I can copy the API link. You will also need this later on. Now open this website n8n.io. Once you have successfully logged in and created your account, you should have this option on your screen, all right? Click on Add First Step. You would like to look up for Google Gemini. So Gemini, let me see. All right, this one. So just select any option you're trying to do with your application. I'm going to choose Message a Model to make this simple, all right? Then select My Own Credential and Set up Credential. From here, you will have your host and here API key. You can go back to Google AI Studio, copy this, go back to N8N, and then paste your API key. Then click on Save. You can now close this window and close this also. Once you've done that, click on this plus icon. Now the search field, look up for Supabase. Right? Click on this option and then choose create a row. And from here, you can set up your own credential. So on the host section, this is where you will put the link of the published application that you just did on Google AI Studio that you integrated with Supabase. So if I'm going to go back over here on Supabase on my account, this is what you need to paste, all right? So just go ahead, copy paste whatever you have. But since I haven't published my application yet, it should not come in here as valid or it will show errors. So just simply go ahead, put your host URL and on the service role secret, it should be right over here. All right. Click on copy API key, paste it. And I'm just going to do this for the example. And once you hit save button over here, then it will automatically connect Supabase and your Google AI Studio account. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.